Hello, we have impromptu office hours here in Ann Arbor, Michigan in my very own office. I had two former students stop by as part of a visit to University of Michigan campus. So I'll let them introduce themselves and say a little bit about the class. So here we go.
Hi, my name is Emma, and I took the class last time on Coursera, and I got so much from it. I was so excited to come here to Michigan, and we thought we'd stop by and meet the teacher, and we're really excited to be here.
So what are you doing this summer?
So this summer I'm teaching actually an intro to computer programming class on the Raspberry Pi computer, and because I learned so much from the course on Coursera, I wanted to share that with more kids and more students like me, that I wanted to help them learn more about programming.
Has that started yet?
Not yet. It will be going on last week of July.
And how many do you expect to have?
We're looking, because this is the first time we're doing it, probably just a small class, like 5 to 7 students that we're hoping to have.
Cool. Well, the materials are all free, right?
Yes. Right.
And you?
And I'm Nick, and I also took the course and really enjoyed it. I would say, many folks remarked that the course gets harder after a bit. I would say stay in there, do what you can, because it really pays off. Some of it starts out very easy, and so if you find it gets harder, stay in there, because that's where the learning happens.
Excellent, excellent. So there we go, the impromptu office hours where the office hours came to my office. I think my next office hours are going to be in Traverse City, Michigan. So that'll probably have like 2 people, because that's way far out. I'm thinking of having exotic office hours at really far out locations. So see you on the net.